Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use UPS in EcoStruxure Power Design Ecodial. In this demonstration, you will view the procedures to define UPS with common mains, UPS with separate mains in hospital application, for example. Let's begin by understanding how to define the UPS for a simple application. The UPS can be added in the installation connected through a feeder having protection and cable. For a simple installation and low-power UPS, incomers are connected together, with common inputs connection to a single circuit breaker or LV transformer. The UPS output can be connected to a switch or breaker and to a downstream switchboard. As soon as a load is defined downstream, the UPS power is automatically adjusted. Next, run the calculation and define the UPS sizing on the network. Next, let's view how to define the UPS with separate mains in a hospital application. The installation contains 3 levels. One main LV switchboard, supplied by a transformer and by LV backup generator. One secured distribution board that needs to be fed by a UPS. And one medical dedicated switchboard to operating theater or critical application. The secured distribution board is supplied by a UPS. For the amount of power to supply, the application proposes separate connections for normal and bypass inputs. Connect the feeder for the separate connection of UPS. By default, the UPS is considered in normal mode, where the output is fed through batteries. When inputs are separate, the bypass mode needs to be defined through an operating mode. Create a duplicate of the normal mode and rename it. For the UPS bypass operating mode, set the UPS mode as bypass. For this installation, we have used 3 operating modes. Note that multiple operating modes can be created based on the installation requirements. Supply by MV/LV transformer and UPS in normal mode. Supply by generator and UPS in normal mode. And supply by MV/LV transformer and UPS in bypass mode. In this installation, a manual bypass is also installed. It is optional and depends on customer requirement. An operating mode needs to be associated to this manual bypass where UPS is disconnected and manual bypass is closed. Create a duplicate of the normal mode and rename it. In the manual bypass mode, the UPS is disconnected and the manual bypass mode is closed. The application proposes the solution by considering the worst-case scenario from all the operating modes. This concludes the video on how to use UPS in EcoStruxure Power Design Ecodial. In this video, we saw how to define UPS with common mains, UPS with separate mains in hospital application,